was young, before we begun, I never thought we all had someone. I took your breath, you took the rest. I promised you always a place on my chest. There might come a day when you feel that I'm not who I was. You might find a better one and end it for us. So I wrote our days on our kitchen table. If you ever forget that you love me, sometimes the love of your life can make you feel weak, too tired to fight. But I'm trying my best to look in your eyes, 'cause tears never age and years never die. But sometimes the love that you feel is just making it worse. But I'm disappointing you, we both end up hurt. So I left a note on our bathroom mirror. If you ever forget that you love me, 'cause sometimes a flower will bloom just to nurture the ground. So if you should ever leave, it's worth it for now. So I wrote it down on our kitchen table. If you ever forget that you love me.